What's going on YouTube? Vlogmas 2. And today is going to be a mindset thing. You want that millionaire mindset? You want to wake up every single day and put in that work? You want to record your own Vlogmas? You want to have the energy? You want to have the positivity to not let your situation stop you from being great? This video is the video for you. So the first thing we can do is simply love ourselves and be willing to work on ourselves. Be willing to invest in ourselves just as much. See, a lot of us tend to put so much energy and time into other things and people, and we don't leave enough energy for ourselves. That's the first thing we have to understand. If you're going to put that time into that woman or into that man, you need to put that same amount of time into yourself. If you're going to spend that last dollar on this woman, this man, your kids, you need to be able to spend your last dollar on yourself and bettering yourself. I've spent years investing in myself. I spent years spending my last, not being in profit. What was the next step for me? What was my purpose in my business, in my life? And I would spend that money. I didn't do things that I wanted to do because there was a bigger step I had to overcome before I started doing those things. And it led me to where I'm at now. So good habits are everything. That's what you need to write down. I need to do more good habits than bad habits. I need to wake up every single day before work, shoot videos, work on myself, work out, read a book, whatever that's going to better myself. Look up some tutorials, practice something. Start recording a little bit before I head out to work. When I'm on my lunch break, I need to do some research. I need to look up some YouTube videos on this topic or this business. Start utilizing your time and putting effort into your goals. You have to do that. If you want to be great, you have to do things that are going to make you great. Every day for the last 5 years, I've been doing long tutorials, putting hours in, watching motivational videos, making my own motivational videos, getting better and better at my craft. And that's why it's effortless for me. I can utilize less tech than the next person and still come out with valuable content because I've mastered this. You need to master, you need to be great at least one thing. Master that and then be great at another thing. That's what you need to do. If you want to make money online, start seeing what principles you need to make money online. Start listening to these make money online videos a little differently. Stop looking at it for a get rich quick scheme. Look at it for what can I do to implement it right now. Every video you watch or any creator you follow, they should be able to show you something you can implement right now to make money. Right now. Start thinking outside the box. That's what I want you to do in December. By the end of December, you should already be making money. This is the online space. You learn a skill, you teach a skill. You find a problem, you solve a problem. You stay persistent and you utilize consistency and persistency to keep it going. So this is Vlogmas 2, guys. I hope you got some value out of this. I hope you stay coming back the next 20-something days in Vlogmas and keep learning. And hopefully by Christmas, you're making some money because we're going to start getting into make money online principles. We're going to start showing you guys some softwares, stuff you can implement now to start making some money.